Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. Today I'm going to install Seiwhale desktop memory, dual Seiwhale RAM high performance memory. This is a DDR5 memory. So it says super fast, power saving, strong, stable, rigorous testing, and UGCT. And so this is a 2-unit kit of 6000 mhz DDR5 at CL38. Unfortunately, I can't get. So this is pretty cheap. I think it's around 300 ringgit from Taobao. So any higher timing is quite a fair bit more expensive. So this is the best I could get. I know that people usually use at least CL30 or CL36, but yeah, I think I just want big RAM. So 2 times 16 gig here. So this is a white one, white RAM with no RGB. Yeah, they look pretty cool, to be honest. Quite a tad tall too, I like to think, but they're pretty light. All metal body. So yeah, CL38, 44, 44, 96, 6000 mhz, 16 gig DDR5 at 1.25 XMP. So I think it supports XMP 3.0 as well as Core for AMD. And this is another one. They are pretty tight in the package here. Almost sounds like I could break the plastic here. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found it useful. And I'll catch you guys next time. I'll be building it into this PC. Bye bye.